Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, we are making beans and plantain in about 40 minutes. In this recipe, you do not need to soak your beans overnight. Your beans will still come out so soft and creamy. So this is a Ghanaian street food, popularly known as Gobe or Yor Ke Gari. This is simply cooked black-eyed beans paired with some fried plantain and palm oil. It's so delicious, so let's get started. This is a very quick recipe. Wash some beans and add it to a saucepan. Add a lot of water, cover and bring it to a boil. Boil the beans for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll drain out all the water and add some hot water, enough to cook the beans. We'll cook our beans until it's soft on medium-high heat. Next, we'll work on our plantains. Peel your washed plantains and slice them. Heat up some palm oil or vegetable oil. Gently place in the sliced plantains. Fry until one side is golden brown. Flip and fry until the other side is golden brown as well. Take them out of the oil onto a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Moving on, we'll also heat up some palm oil and fry some sliced onions. Add some salt to taste. Fry until it looks golden brown like this. We'll set this aside and check on our beans. Our beans is almost ready as well. We'll add some salt to taste and stir. Let it simmer for an extra 4 to 6 minutes and serve. These beans and plantain can be eaten for breakfast or lunch. Let me know in the comments section if you'll be trying this recipe. Scoop some of the beans into your leaves. Add some gari, the palm oil, some fried plantains. This combination is so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, then watch the Ghanaian recipes playlist next. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.